Now total 7 participants including me. Let's start. Now one more student admitted, Karthik. Today we will discuss about the binary search. Clear? Binary search. This is the program of binary search. You know very well what is the binary search. In binary search, first we have to divide our array into two parts according to the mid value. Clear? And then we have to check our item with the mid value. If item is found, then this value will return. Otherwise, we go either the left part or to the right part of the array. This is way to search element in the binary search. But there is a condition. When we search element in the binary search, first of all, your array should be in sorted order, either is in ascending order or in descending order. So this is the program. Today we will discuss the program of binary search. Okay? See this program. There is an array. This is the main part of the program. There is an array having 10 elements. 15, 21, 25. Please put your mic off. 21, 25, 28, 32, 33, 36, 43 and 45. These are the 10 elements. This is the array. Then item. You have to take value from the user, which element user want to search. So in this example, I want to search 32. This element I want to search. 32 I want to search. Then what we have to do? Call this recursive function. This is the calling part of the function. Bind bin, that is called binary search. AR, pass this array, comma item. Item means which element you want to search. This calling part goes to the called function, means in the definition of the function, the value of array put as it is in AR and the item value is put it in the key. So the value of item is 32. Now I want to search 32. Then low equals to 0 means lower bound is 0 and the value of high, that is called end value, is length of the array minus 1. So this time the length of this array is 10. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, that is 9. 9 is the value of high. So value of low is 0 and the value of high is 9. Check the condition. Low is less than equals to high. Yes. Now this time the value of low is 0 and the value of high is 9. According to this, it is correct. 0 is less than equals to 9. Condition is true. Come here and find the value of mid. 0 plus 9 divided by 2, we get 4.5. Now 4.5 in decimal means in float value, convert into integer with the help of typecast. This is a int. Int will convert this 4.5 into 4. Now this 4 will assign in mid. So actual value of mid is 4. Now match. If value of key is, according to this, value of key is 32 equals to AR mid. This time mid is 4. So A4, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In fourth index, we have 28. We have 28. So now check it. 32 is equals to 28. Is it correct? No, this is wrong. If this is wrong, come to the else if part. Now else if part, key less than AR mid. Now the value of key is again 32 less than AR mid. What is this? Again the same, 28. Now 32 is less than 28. Again it is wrong. 32 is not less than this. Clear? Now come to the else part. Else part, mid plus 1. Mid plus 1. That means the value of mid is 4. 4 plus 1, that is the value of low. Now the new value of low is 5. Means that we will move to the right side of the mid. So now new array is this one: 32, 33, 36, 43 and 45. In that, low value is, means lower index is 5 and the upper index is 9. Is it clear? Lower index, this one, this 32 is in lower index according to this concept. Value of mid is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 is the new value of low. So now the low is 5 and the upper is same, means the high value is same, high value is 9. Is it clear? We will work with this new array. Is it clear? Reply. Is it clear or no? Raise your hand. If it is clear, raise your hand. Okay. Then again you have to go here. Now the value of low is, what is the value of low? 5. Less than equals to the value of high. High value is 9. 5 is less than equals to 9. 5 is less than equals to 9. Yes, according to this, condition is true. Come here. 5 the value of low and the 9 is the value of high. 5 plus 9 is it? 14. Divide by 2, that is 7. 5 plus 9, that is 14. Divide by 2 is 7. 7 is the value of mid. 7 is the new value of mid. Now check the condition. Key. What is the value of key? 32. Equals to AR mid. AR mid means AR7. Now this time the value of AR7 is 36. Value of AR7 is 36 because of 5 index represent 32, 6 index represent 33 and 7 index represent 36. So means this time AR7 value is 36. Now check it. 32 equals to 36? No. Condition is false. Come here in alif part. Now 32 is less than 36. Yes, according to this it is correct. It is true. When it is true, then mid value minus 1. The value of mid is 5. New value of mid is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So 6 is the new value of high. 6 is the new value of high. So we have only these two elements because low value is 5 and the high value is 6. Again you have to go in while loop. Now check the condition. 5 less than equals to 6. 5 less than equals to 6. Yes, it is true. It is true. Now 5 plus 6 is 11. Divide by 2, you will get 5 plus 6. 11 divided by 2, you will get 5.5. And in integer, you have only 5. So value of mid is 5. Now check it. In the fifth index, there is 32. And we also want to search 32. 32 is equals to 32. Yes, condition is true. Condition is true. Then it will return the value of mid. Return the value of mid. The value of mid is 5. Then it will come here. 5 greater than equals to 0. 5 greater than equals to 0. Yes, this means condition is true. If condition is true, then it will display item. Item means the value of item is 32. 32. This is a message found at index. The value of res is 5. So 32 found at index number 5. Is it correct? This will the message. Raise your hand if it is correct, clear. Otherwise, you ask your question. Unmute your mic and ask your question if you have doubt. If it is clear, raise your hand. Kalash, Alokik.
Sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Wait
Sir,
a minute.
मैं अभी आया था फिर से बताऊंगा.
हाँ. Then the value of low equals to 0. and high equals to len AR minus 1. So length of the array is 10. 10 minus 1, that is 9. 10 minus 1, that is 9. So low value is 0 and the high value is 9. Low is less than equals to 9. Condition is true. Now low plus high, that is 0 plus 9 divided by 2, that is 4.5. 4.5 convert it to integer. Now it become 4. The value of mid is 4. Now check the condition. Key equals to AR 4. The value of key is 32. But now you change the value of key. We have to take another example. Take the value of key like 35. Value of key you have to take 35 because 35 is not present in the array. See here, 35 is not present in the array. Now check what happened if element is not present. So what happened? Check it. This time the value of key is 35. Now compare it. 35 equals to AR mid. The value of mid is 4. So now 35 equals to 32. Wrong. Sorry, 28. Because of why it is 28? Because AR mid value is 4. So at fourth position there is 28. So 32 equals to 28. Condition is false. Condition false. Come to the elif part. Now value of key is 35. 35 is less than AR mid, means 28. Wrong, because 35 is greater. If it is greater, then come to the else part and increment the value of mid. Now mid plus 1 means 4 plus 1, this is 5. Now new value of low is 5. Now the new array, or you can say now the new value of AR is 32, 33, 36, 43 and 45. Clear? Again you have to check. This time the new value of low is 5. 5 less than equals to 9. Condition is true. 5 plus 9, that is 14. Divide by 2, this is 7. 7 is the value of mid. Now key equals to AR 7. The value of key is 35. 35 equals to AR 7. What is the value of AR 7? Is 36. AR 7 is 36. 37 equals to 36. Again it is false. If it is false, come here in the elif part. Key less than AR mid. What is the value of key? 35. 35 less than 36. Yes, condition is true because 35 is less than 36. Condition is true. Now decrement the value of mid. What is the value of mid? Mid minus 1 means value of mid is 7. 7 minus 1, that is 6. 6 will come here in value of high. Now this is the sixth index. This is the sixth index. Check it again. What is the value of low? Low remain 5. Value of low is 5 and the value of high is 6. 5 less than equals to 6. Condition is true. Now again add 5 plus 6, that is 11 divided by 2 means 5.5. It means 5. When we convert this value into integer, it will become 5. The value of mid is 5. Now key equals to AR mid. Value of key is 35 equals to AR mid. Mid position is 33. Sorry, 32. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 32. Now again it is false. 35 is less than AR mid. That means 35 is the value of key less than 32. That means it is false. Come here and increment the value of mid. 5 plus 1, that is 6, means new value of low is 6 and the high value is also 6. Both are 6. 6 or Now see here, 6 is less than equals to 6. Condition is true. Then 6 plus 6 divided by 2. That means mid value is again 6. In the sixth position, there is 33. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In the sixth position, there is 33. The value of key is 35. 35 equals to 33. Means condition is
false.
false. Now come here. 35 is less than 33. Again it is false. Now come to the else part, and the value of mid, that is 6. 6 plus 1, that is 7. 7 is the new
7.
value of low. 7 is the new value of low. Is it clear?
Low. Sir.
Now see here, the value of low is greater than the value of high.
Yes,
Value of
sir.
low now becomes 7, na? But the value of high is 6. Or check the condition.
Yes.
Check the condition. 7 is less than equals to 6.
False.
False. When this while condition is false, it comes to the else part
Else.
and return -1.
-1.
Return -1. Come here. The value of RES is -1. Now -1 is greater than equals to 0.
False.
False. When it is false, come to the else part and pass this message. Sorry, item means 35 not found in array. This is the way you can find the value of you can find the value in the array. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Run this program. Press F5 key. Once you press F5 key, pass the input like 35. Now this time I am passing 35. So sorry, 35 not found in array. You will get a message like this: 35 not found in array. Is it clear? Again, run this program and now type 32. See here, 32 found at index position 5. So means 35 is present in fifth index, whereas 32 present in the fifth index, whereas 35 is not present in the array. Any doubt? Class, any doubt?
सर प्रोग्राम रन होते नहीं दिखा. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now type here 35. Sorry, 35 not found in the array. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then again you have to run and type here 32. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I hope you understand about this topic. What is binary search? How we will make program? How we will compare each and every element to the half part of the array, to the left side, right side, or the mid position. Any confusion regarding this?
No, sir.
Everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see this. This is a binary search program with the help of recursive search method. So means this is based on recursive manner. Here two things. One is recursive function and second is base function, base case. So this is the base case. This one is again a base case, whereas this one is called recursive case, or this is also called recursive case. Here 4 parameters are passed. First parameter is for taking value from the user as an array. Then second is a key, means which element you want to search. and then the value of low and the value of high. Clear? These 4 value I am taking from the user. So again, same thing, program start from main function. This is the array part. Then which element you want to search. Then binary search array, this same array passed in the parameter. Then item means which element you want to search. It will go here. 0 is the value of low, and the value of high is length of array minus 1. Is it clear? This passed here in the value of high. After that, this calling part goes to the called function and compare it. It will goes till the low. If the value of low is greater than high, then it return minus 1. Then it return minus 1. Or why it is written minus 1 instead of 0? Because in this program we are starting with 0 index. If our condition is satisfied at 0 index, then we can say element is found. If element is not present, then only we can say it return minus 1. Is it clear? जब element मिलेगा हमें तो वो कुछ ना कुछ index देगा. Start from 0 to 9. Otherwise it will return minus 1 if element is not found. Is it clear? Then same method, find the value of mid. Then if key equals to AR mid, then return the mid position. Otherwise you have to go either right part or to the left part. Clear? And these 2 lines are called recursive case. Means it call again and again this program. I hope you understand these many topics which I have taught to you. First is binary search. Why we use binary search? Simple program of binary search, and the binary search program with the help of recursive case.
चला ना सर रिकर्जन वाला.
Sorry. Now say what you are saying.
So this recursion chapter is deleted from our book.
Alokik, ask your doubt in the recursive function. Binary search with recursive function. Ask your doubt. I think he is not hearing me. We will start new chapter from Monday onward.